Hello, my name is Lily Aguero, and this is my app. It's called My Baking Book, and the purpose of this app is to show people how to bake using step by step instructions and by showing them the ingredients and measurements for each recipe. And I made this app using code.org and building blocks. Each one of my codes is on event and set screen. That's all my codes are, very simple. And then I have in total 180 lines of code. And here are all my screens labeled so that I understand if I have to fix something, everything is organized in order for me to find it. Now let me show you my app. This is the cover screen. It's called My Baking Book, and you click open to be taken to the table of contents, and you could also go back if you need to go back. And it says click on the name to be taken to the recipe. For example, I would click on chocolate chip cookies and it would take me to the recipe of chocolate chip cookies. You could see the picture of chocolate chip cookies, click next or back, and then you could check and uncheck the ingredients for the recipe. And you could also go back on this one too. You could go back on all the screens. But in this case, let's go next. Once you click next, it shows you the instructions for the recipe. And then once you're done, you will click next and it would show you the screen that says, well done, you did amazing. You would click go and then click here to go to the table of contents and you can look at all the other recipes. And what inspired me to make this app was my love for baking and to possibly inspire other people to find their love for baking too using my app. And my target audience for this app would be really anybody that is learning how to bake or wants to learn how to bake. They could use my app because my app would show them how to bake simply because all my recipes are not too hard. They're very simple and it shows you the ingredients and it shows you the instructions that doesn't overcomplicate it. So, thank you so much for listening to my app and listening to me explain. I hope you like my app. Thank you.